Hi, this is Sanjay Sharma from salespathshala.com with post number 51. Today we shall be discussing about why most sales-oriented businesses don't succeed. This one is for the managers, entrepreneurs and thought leaders. Most businesses which are sales-oriented do not succeed because of the leadership style of the leader. Maybe the sales manager or the entrepreneur or the thought leader who's there. They are so obsessed with the jobs that they do not want to delegate. When you do not want to delegate, the sales will not grow. The specific reason is why? Because everybody is going to come back to you for specific approvals, for a specific queries, for specific requirements, and you have only two hands and only 24 hours in a day, and that's why the sales will not grow. The business will be affected. So what you have to do is you have to delegate. You have to make your team grow and prosper. Most people do not do it because they feel insecure that when they delegate, the power will go out of their hands. That is how they feel, but that is not correct. When you delegate, you become more powerful because there are more people who are working and doing the job for you. Second important aspect is most people do not delegate for a fear of failure because they feel that when they delegate, they are going to create chaos in the system because they do not have an organization. And when there is no organization, you are right, it's a blunder to delegate. So the first step is to build your organization right, to set the structure right, have the right people in place, and then delegate and see that you build those right checks and balances to create a success story for yourself. So what we have discussed today is that all businesses and whatever your role is, maybe a sales manager or an entrepreneur or a business leader, you need to create an organization. If it's a sales oriented business, you need to create a sales organization and ensure that you hire right people and delegate and keep those checks and balances in place so that your organization prospers. So we are ready to go to the market and practice what we've discussed today. Good luck.